Sexual reproductions in plants. This module you will learn how the sexual reproduction takes place in flowering plants. It is spring season flower blooming on the tree. It is indeed beautiful sight. Flower attracts all around. They are the most beautiful parts of the plants, isn't it? You already know that flowers are not present only to add beauty to the plant. They are in fact the reproductive parts of the plants. In the flower stamens is male reproductive parts, while carpels is the female reproduction parts. Some flowers contain both male and female reproductive parts, such as flowers called bisexual flower, for example, pie, China rose, etc. On the other hand, some flowers possess either the male or female reproductive those. Such flower is called unisexual flowers, for example, corn, cucumber, etc. Now let us know about the different parts that make up a stamen, and a couple stamens is made two parts, anther and filaments. Anther produce pollen grain. It is a pollen grain that contains the male gamete. A couple on the other hand, is made of three parts. The terminal part is called the stigma. The middle long part is a style, and the swollen bottom part is ovary inside. The ovary ovules are present. It is the ovule that have female gamete called the egg cells for sexual reproduction to take place. A male gamete is to fill with a female gamete. Now for that, the male gamete have to reach the female gamete for this first pollen grain carrying the male gamete is transferred from the stamens of flower stigma over flower. Such transfer of pollen grains is known as pollination. If the pollen grains of the flower lands on the stigmas of the same flower is called self-pollination. But if a flower lands on the stigmas, other flowers are all of the same or another plants is called cross-pollination. Pollination occurs with help of different agents like wind, water, and animals. When a pollen grain reaches the stigmas of a suitable flower, a tube grows from the pollen grain. This tube travels through the tube and reaches ovary. The male gamete from the pollen travels in this tube and reaches the female gamete presents the ovule. The ovule, after male or female gamete fuse together to form the reold. This process fusions of male or female gamete called fertilization. The goat from after the fertilization then divides several times to form the embryo inside. Ovule developed a tough curve and chain to the cyst. Ovary, on the other hand, ripens and forms fruit around the cyst. At this time, the other parts of flower like the sepal and petal form off, so a cyst present inside of a fruit contains embryos, which are actually baby plants. Each time a seed is planted in soil in a suitable condition, it goes into the cyst, which then